Galaxy Z Flip 5G leaked images show a familiar design. Samsung is expected to unveil a 5G variant of the Galaxy Z Flip sometime next month. The foldable phone was rumored to come with the same design as that of its LTE sibling. Its specifications were leaked through various means, and also it is reported that it will have 256 GB base storage. Now, images of the Galaxy Z Flip 5G have been leaked on the internet. We are getting to see the design of the Galaxy Z Flip 5G ahead of its official announcement, thanks to its TANSAFTECH certification. The phone can be seen in gray in these images, and it is clear that the phone will continue using the design of the Galaxy Z Flip. There's a small display at the outside, beside the dual camera setup and an LED flash. On the inside, the foldable AMOLED screen has a punch hole-shaped cutout towards the top to accommodate the selfie camera. There appears to be a capacitive fingerprint reader and the volume rocker on the right, while the left side of the phone has a SIM card slot. Images also showcase the USB Type-C port at the bottom. Certification documents also revealed that the phone has a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus primary display and a 1.05-inch secondary display. The phone runs Android 10 and uses a 3.09 GHz octa-core processor, possibly the Snapdragon 865 Plus, 8 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage. It has a 12-megapixel plus 12-megapixel dual camera setup on the outside and a 10-megapixel selfie camera. Connectivity features include 5G, LTE, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. The phone measures 167.3 by 73.6 by 7.2 mm when it's opened, and it weighs 183 grams. The certification agency also confirms that the phone will come in a gray-colored variant. The phone was also spotted on FCC's website, revealing the model number of the phone is SMF707B and that it supports 15-watt fast charging. The phone also supports dual-band Wi-Fi 6, which is a step up from the Galaxy Z Flip's Wi-Fi 5 connectivity. Supporting documents on FCC's website also reveal that the Galaxy Z Flip 5G has 2 batteries. The phone was tested using the TA200 charging adapter, and it supports a maximum of 15-watt power output. That's a lot of information even before the phone has officially been unveiled, and we expect to know more about the device, including its price, during its launch next month. So that's it in this video. Please do consider subscribing my channel. Thanks for watching. Peace out.